How's it going, you guys? This is Bad Boy AK. In this video today, we got a special Underglow kit made by Cordial Underglow. This is a secret Underglow kit that I had on my car for approximately 3 or close to 4 years now. And it's been holding up good and fine. And today we're going to be doing a unboxing pretty much. And I'm going to be doing a review, which is pretty much on my car already. And I'll just show you guys the different effects. This is probably like the best Underglow kit you could buy in the market today. And the crazy thing is that when I bought it, it was like over $100. Now you could get it for $49.99. I'm not even a sponsor to these guys, but they have it for 50 bucks. This is like the best Underglow kit you could buy. It's really close to the same as to Low Glow. As you guys know, Low Glow is the Underglow company. They have it as priced as $2.99. This is pretty much the same thing you're buying, and it's called Cordial Underglow kit. That's what you get it. It's on Amazon. And this is LED Underglow. It does flow series over, I forgot the number of how many effects it has, but you could do pretty much everything. It goes from low, dim, change the color from solid to flow series, all that stuff. And without going any further, let me do the unboxing. Now the unboxing is pretty much easy, straightforward. And without going further, let's unbox this package. Now, the first thing we're getting is, it's a bunch of, oh well, but yeah, what you're getting right here is all this stuff right here is basically the Underglow and the strips and all that stuff. Let me pull it out to show you guys a better example. Here we have all the Underglow. It's a pretty long wire, and it's got all this wire. You can see the Bluetooth box is right over here. That's a Bluetooth box. That right there. This is not waterproof, so you need to make sure that you don't put it in a place where water will get to it, then it'll stop working. So that's on you when you the installer who installs it. And you get all this, it's really long. You have two small ones that connect towards the front and the back of the car. The long ones goes on the left and the right of the side of the car. And that's like pretty much it to it. Other than that, we also get the cigarette lighter. So you have the option to basically hook it up to your cigarette lighter. I don't know what the hell that was. To your cigarette lighter. You could splice the wires and connect it to a ground or to a fuse. I wouldn't recommend connecting it to your battery because things could go wrong when you connect to your battery. Like your battery will just keep on dying. You don't want to do that. So what I did on my car was I connected it towards a ground and a positive in the fuse box. And every car is different, so you need to make sure and check what fuse it is, that it doesn't when you have it in the ignition that it doesn't stay on all the time. Because if it stays on all the time, then the car will just be dead. So you don't want to do that. You need to always check your fuses and make sure where you're putting it is in the right fuse or not. And without going any further, let me show you guys more in detail about this. So this was exactly what I was telling you guys. You got a negative and then you got a positive. Now for the negative, you need you could connect to any ground that you see. And then for the positive, you go to your fuse box, either inside of the car or outside of the car. It depends on how the installer wants to install it. And you just go to any 10 amp fuse. I wouldn't go anything more than 30 because then you'll just got to keep changing fuses. So you go to a 10 amp fuse, which is relatively safe for your car. And that's how you do it on pretty much any lighting you install. You should always make sure you just go down and use a 10 amp fuse. And that's one thing I just want to point out in this video. That's the wire, the negative and positive. You could extend it, to how you're liking on how you want it, how long you want it. And that's pretty much it towards this unboxing. And then you get the cigarette lighter. I don't think this is really that cool to have because who wants to keep on, plugging it inside your car and just keep on turning it on and off. So I'll show you guys how I did on my car, since I had it on for approximately 4 years now. And in those 4 years, and nothing ever happened, gone wrong. I mean, it's literally waterproof. There's hasn't been any, I haven't faced or even changed out the LED lights. They held on for me very good. Maybe it was due to me having good luck or something, but I heard some reviews, people had some problems with it. But for me, I think this is probably the best Underglow kit you could buy. But without going further, I want to show you guys in the garage and show you guys the different effects of the Underglow and show you more in depth about the how many different effects and pretty much whatever it does. So let's get into the garage. Okay, so here we are inside the garage, and this is the Underglow kit, and this is the app. It's called LED Who. You basically just download that. It tells you in the instructions. You get a sheet of paper, and it tells you what to download. And basically, this is like on off switch, and it's called mine is called SP1110E. I think that should be the same for everyone else. And basically, you just click on that, and it goes solid. So whatever color you set it to, it just remembers what color it is on. And basically, I could just go do this. It goes to, this is setting number 2. And it just does flow series. This is similar to, maybe if you guys watched my video in the past about the striker lights side markers, they also do the same thing too. Pretty much the same app too. And I had these Underglows for 4 years approximately now, and haven't had a problem with these. And this is similar to like Low Glow, but at a fraction of our price, because Low Glow kits go over for like $300, $300. And this is right here, you can now get for $50. And when I bought it 4 years ago, I bought it for I think like $110 or $120. I don't remember, but it was around the 100 range. Now you could get this for $50, and you got all the types of colors to do. So if you're like like researching for the best Underglow kit, that I think this is the best thing. And this is not even anything like, I'm not even doing any editing or anything like that. Like, you could be at the gas station and the Underglow is so freaking bright. Like, it's literally like what you see right now inside the garage. And I know this is probably not like the best lighting you could get, and like you could tell in the garage, but this is how bright it is. And underneath the Underglow, I have my VicRes side skirt, and you can see the LED strips is right on the bottom right over here, as you guys can see right there. And I have it underneath so that way you don't see the strips. Before, I had the strips out where you could see the LED lights, and I didn't like that. So then the problem got fixed when I put the side skirts on. Now you don't see the LED strip underneath, so it kind of annoyed me when I had it with no side skirts. Like, you could see the LED strips, so I didn't like that. So I got the the side skirts installed, and now you don't really see the LED strips. So you want to make sure when you install Underglow that the LED lights don't come in the way of the strips, because then if you see the strips, then it'll just look ugly and just awful. But yeah, that's the Underglow. And then if I go to number 4, it does that. Number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. Like, just like in my striker lights video, I'm just gonna go do pretty much everything. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Let me go do a little better angle for you guys to see a little bit better. Okay, maybe this was a little bit of a better angle. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, 41, 42, 43, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. I'm not sure if you guys could see all the settings, but yeah, it's like strobes now. 66. And this is the brightest setting too. You could set it how, the brightness level and the speed level. You have both of those options. That's like right over there. I have it all the way up bright, but you don't have to. At night, it's literally like it's gonna blind the driver, so sometimes I just push it all the way back down, so that way I don't blind other people on the road, because people might not have some eye problems when they see this bright Underglow, because it really is that bright. 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Well, see, the 100 looks, you got the cop effect. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108. The 108 matches my car. The blue and yellow theme is going tough right here. 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, and 120. And it goes back to the Flow series, RGB, LBGQ lights, as people say, the computer thing. But yeah, that's 120 different effects, and this is how, like, it really is this bright. I'll probably post a little clip of how bright they are, and I was trying to see if I could put in this video, but they really are that bright, and I have no words to tell you. This is like probably the best underglow kit you could buy in the market as of today. 50 bucks doesn't beat the price. Like, this is literally looks like a $300 underglow kit, but you're paying only 50 bucks now. I bought it for over 100 bucks 4 years ago. So it's your lucky chance to buy this underglow. It's $49.99 now. Grab it while it's there, the sale. I'm not sure how long the sale lasts, but yeah. Let me show you guys how I mounted and installed these lights. So I don't know if you can see, but there's a wire right over there. You can see if I'm pointing it down there. That wire hooks up underneath the front bumper, and then it goes to the left, the passenger side and the right side. And then you feed that wire down all the way to the back of the car. And for a Mustang, it wasn't too difficult, especially a 2010, 2014 Mustang. But that wire right over there, and then underneath this plastic thing that comes with the Mustangs, since it's not waterproof, and then I had to go get 3M tape and tape it on an area where it settles, where there's no water exposure, and you know the kit goes bad, which is why it's been going for 4 years. I made sure that it doesn't go to an area when you're washing the car, the water doesn't go settle there. But yeah, other than that, it's been going well. And about how you install it, basically you go get the negative wire and mount it to any ground, which, for example, my ground could be anything, like any ground. Let's say like right over, and yeah, right over there, that is my tender, because I have so many lights installed and the battery keeps on dying. So then if I don't drive the car, I just put a tender on it. But yeah, any ground, like for example, you could see a ground right there. I hooked up a ground right over there. If you could see that one. Basically, you put the negative on the ground, and then the positive goes to the fuse box, and you need to make sure that it's a 10 amp fuse, and you need to make sure before you click or choose any fuse, because if you put on the wrong fuse, then you're gonna have some battery problems. But yeah, all these wires that I have right over here, this is like, I have pretty much a lot of lightning on this car, which is why I have to hook it on a tender. And then you can see my life is really tough because this battery keeps on dying because I have like literally so much lights, and you can see there's like a pile of wires right over here. Like these wire, like I have like the sign markers I have. I have pretty much every single lightning you could think of. You can see LED strips in the engine bay too. I have literally every single thing. But the end, apart from that, I also got the tail lights to RGB as well too, and I'll show you guys that in the next YouTube video incoming. But yeah, that's a lot of lightning that I got, which is why I have to put it on settle it with a tender. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video. This was basically an unboxing and review about the Underglow kit I had. I've had it for like 4 years now. And after I think this year ends, it's like 4 years now. But yeah, this Underglow kit is probably like the best Underglow kit you could buy. Correct me if I'm wrong. You could probably not find any Underglow kit as dope and as bright as this kit, because like literally a $300 kit, but you're getting it for $49.99. I'll put the link in the description in the bio so you guys could go ahead and grab yourself one. For all my LBGQ Underglow fans, you will definitely love this kit, and it's Bad Boy AK approved, and it really is. For me, it lasts us 4 years, and we're still going with these lights till now, and I'm sure you'll have a positive experience with these lights. The best Underglow kit you could buy in the market. And yeah, that's right there is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe to my channel. I need the love and support like you always guys do. Comment, like, share, and most importantly, make sure when you buy Underglow kit, you buy this one, because if you buy some other one, I don't know what to tell you guys then at this point. This literally is the best Underglow kit. Cordial Underglow, you guys really have the best kit. Beats the logo Underglow kits. So yeah, that right there is really a big statement that I'm saying. It really is I have no words to say. It really is a good Underglow kit you could buy for the money. I mean, 50 bucks doesn't beat the price. But yeah, I'll put the link in the description in the bio, and you guys could go click on that link, buy it, and then you'll comment me if you have any bad experience or something like that. I'll go comment and let you guys know about like why or something. If you have any problems, let me know, because I'll make sure that that doesn't happen. It really is a really cool underglow kit you could buy. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video. Comment, like, share, subscribe like always do. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your fantastic rest of your day. Peace out.